going on YouTube? This is my Snap-on toolbox tour. All that stuff's mine as well, but it's just a bunch of junk bolt bins, Matco, roll cart, some other things. Anyway, those are all my cordless chargers, Milwaukee 1/4-inch cordless ratchet, Snap-on screwdriver, iHome, some pen holders that my girlfriend made. That one, it's pretty cool. It's got pictures of my car on it. Craftsman cordless impact. In my socket drawer, all that stuff's all metric in the blue, all metric. Got some long extensions for transmissions, some Snap-on swivels, Matco Allen wrench, bunch of different ratchets, Snap-on, Matco, Craftsman. There's all my standard stuff. O2 sensor kit, Torx, Allens, bit drivers, picks, extensions. There's my wrench drawer. Gear wrench, Matco, and Snap-on stuff. Extra long stuff, all ratcheting stuff, stubbies, ratcheting stubbies. Just pretty much everything, honestly. Here's my plier drawer. I don't have many, but that's pretty much all I use in that drawer. Snap-on pry bars, some Irwin Vice grip stuff, some panel tools, breaker bars, Snap-on radiator picks, snap ring pliers, some more panel tools, some drills, some extractors, fastener removers. These are deep well bolt extractors. These are thread chasers, and those are screw removers for strip heads. Hammers. And those are wheel lock removers. These are a Snap-on impact driver. This is a Master torque stick kit, Matco 1/2-inch torque wrench, 3/8 torque wrench, and an axle nut kit. This is a Dremel slide hammer, coolant pressure tester. This is a rethreader, Master rethread kit, Master tap and die kit, serpentine belt tool. This is pretty much all my chemicals. What I use, some grinding discs. This is just more electrical stuff, power probe and Tesla. These are all my air tools, a lot of Ingersoll Rand, Blue Point, and some Cobalt stuff. This is just kind of miscellaneous stuff, some grinding discs, some air fittings, razors, cut-off wheels, thread tape, plugs, anything really. This is my main electrical drawer. I got a voltmeter, another voltmeter, some test leads, electrical tape, jump starter, soldering gun, some AC glasses, and there's a black light in there. Snap-on screwdrivers, another Matco penalty, some more screwdrivers, some magnets, mini screwdrivers, just kind of some junk, I guess, mirrors and some tread-up gauges, cordless stuff, Snap-on 1/2-inch, Craftsman, brand new Matco 1/2-inch impact. I bought that for crank bolts, but unfortunately none of my crank bolts are stuck, so I haven't used that yet. And pretty much it. It's oil filter stuff. That's the box. It's